The JVC DLA NX5 4K D ILA Projector is an exceptional product that is perfect for your home theater needs. With its impressive feature list, it delivers an immersive viewing experience like no other. This projector is designed to comply with the latest HDMI, HDCP 2.2 standard, allowing for full-spec 4K signal input with a transmission bandwidth of 18 gigabits per second. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, you can enjoy stunning visuals with 4K resolutions, thanks to its NSH265W lamp. The JVC DLA NX5 4K D ILA projector offers multiple input connectors, including two HDMI ports that support 3D and deep color, HDCP 2.2. For output and control, it includes an RS232C, D sub-9 pin, connector, LAN, RJ45, port, trigger jack, and 3D sync port. With support for various 3D formats such as frame packing, side-by-side, half, and top and bottom, you can bring your 3D content to life with this projector. Its new 0.69-inch 4K D ILA device delivers exceptional image quality with a resolution of 4096 by 2160. One of the standout features of this projector is its high native contrast ratio of 40,000 to 1, which can reach a dynamic contrast ratio of 400,000 to 1. As a result, you can expect deep blacks and a truly immersive viewing experience. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, so it may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Before purchasing, make sure to check the compatibility with your local outlets and voltage. Upgrade your home theater setup with the JVC DLA NX5 4K D ILA projector and enjoy breathtaking visuals in the comfort of your own home. Get yours now at our short link, https://amzn.to/46br8kw.